Hey, what's up, peeps? I got a Nikon Z7II for y'all today. But before we get into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Help your boy out, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? So, good old common issue. I already got a video out on the Z6 or the Z6II with the same issue. But this is an issue through all the full frame Nikon. So, back autofocus button is kapooey. It's gone. And it is a big common issue. I ordered a handful of these and I'm almost out. This may be the last one. Oh, crap. So, this is probably the reason why it keeps breaking, because it's solo dolo. I should have made it all one or something. I don't know. What can I say? We should make this quick, fast, in a hurry. This customer actually needs this done within 48 hours. So, came in early to take apart the Z7II with y'all. Tools of the day. It's your good old same homies over here. Got your cross-point screwdrivers. Go ahead and, if you really want to start doing this yourself, we're selling them now. They're on the store in the YouTube. They're on the link in the YouTube. They're on Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. Buy your tools. Buy your tools from me. We also have tweezers in there as well. Got your straight tweezers, curved tweezers. Then we got Spud. I don't know where Spud came from, but Spud's dope. Sorry, I'm feeling a little under the weather, but I've got a job to do, and that is to be there for you. Alright, enough of the shenanigans. Let's go ahead and start taking this camera apart. Y'all watch that button. Hope everybody's doing well, staying positive, staying focused. You know, I love to start with the Viewfinder. You know, you could totally program another button to your autofocus. But then it wouldn't be the same, handsome. Yep, that's what I hear. I honestly think there's a screw under this plate. I think on the Z6 line there was. So since we're in the vicinity, we are going to check it out. Okay, these screws are definitely longer than the top big screws. And I was totally wrong. Well, we took it off, and we know. Our goal is to just take off the back cover. And I think Nikon won for the most screws on the bottom plate. Sony was winning for a while. Alright, you got one in here. You're in there, dude. In there like swimwear, without chin hair. You dig? Pretty gross. I feel like we're missing something here. Watch this bottom plate have to come off. Okay, we will take the bottom plate off because there's probably a hidden screw. Oh, Lord. And yeah, they're behind this. I'd put your finger there and watch out. Dang! And it's still springed out on me. All this for a top cover. There's still something hanging on. That doesn't sound good. Doing too much, Nikon. Alright, we got that somewhat safely off. Yeah, they totally just left the autofocus button by itself. See, the button just rips off. That's why I buy a bunch of parts. Ain't that right, Billy? All right. All that for that. I'm out of there. All right, let's connect this back. Oh. Guess let's go ahead and push this battery in. Hold it in. I guess I kind of need a lens, huh? Well, you can see it works because when you hit it, it goes off. So I think you're good. Let's put this bad boy. Let's rephrase that. Let's put this Nikon back together. Okay. First and foremost, we're going to put this special, the only silver screw. Then you got to put this conjunction back. Okay. This is my favorite part of Nikons. Really handsome? No. Big ones go in the back. All right. A couple more screws. Good old Nikon, always going against the grain. Pun intended. Quadruple, triple check. I don't even think I have a Z mount lens. What do you know, a pancake. 40 f2. Alright. How about we get off of f16 and go up, and we're focusing. It's working. Alright, so Dirk is out of focus. He's in focus. It works. That, my friends, is how you replace the back autofocus button on a Nikon Z7II. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, buy yourself a set of tools, maybe buy them for a gift. I don't know. Y'all know the drill. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!